Building a business in Kenya is a journey that starts with a simple idea and grows into something that can support your life, your family, and even your community. But starting is only the first step. The real challenge comes when you want to grow. Many people start small businesses, but only a few manage to scale them into large and successful enterprises. Scaling means increasing your income, reaching more customers, and building systems that allow your business to run smoothly, even when you are not there all the time. In Kenya today, opportunities are everywhere. From small kiosks in estates to online shops on social media, people are finding new ways to earn a living. However, growth does not happen by luck. It happens by making the right decisions over time. If you want your business to grow from earning a few thousand shillings per day to making hundreds of thousands or even millions of Kenyan shillings every month, you must understand how to scale step by step. The first thing to understand is that scaling is not about rushing. Many people fail because they try to grow too fast without proper planning. They open new branches before the first one is stable. They hire many employees before they can afford to pay them. They take loans without a clear plan of how to repay them. This leads to stress, losses, and sometimes the collapse of the business. Growth should be steady and guided by clear decisions. To scale your business, you must first make sure your foundation is strong. This means your current business should be stable. You should know how much money you make every day, every week, and every month. You should also know your expenses. For example, if your business earns 50,000 Kenyan shillings per month, but your expenses are 40,000 Kenyan shillings, then your profit is only 10,000 Kenyan shillings. This is important because scaling requires extra money, and you need to know if your business is generating enough profit to support growth. Record keeping is very important. Many business owners in Kenya do not track their finances properly. They mix business money with personal money. This makes it hard to know whether the business is growing or not. To scale successfully, you must separate your finances. Have a clear record of all income and expenses. Even if you use a simple notebook, make sure every transaction is written down. This habit alone can change your business. Once your foundation is strong, the next step is to improve your product or service. People will only come back if they are satisfied. If you sell food, make sure it is clean, tasty, and consistent. If you offer services, make sure they are reliable and professional. Quality builds trust, and trust brings repeat customers. When customers trust you, they also refer others. This is one of the cheapest ways to grow your business. Customer service is also very important. In Kenya, many businesses lose customers because of poor service. Simple things like greeting customers, listening to them, and solving their problems can make a big difference. A happy customer can bring many more customers. On the other hand, one unhappy customer can discourage many people from coming to your business. After improving your product and service, you need to focus on reaching more people. This is where marketing comes in. In the past, businesses relied on word of mouth and physical location. Today, things have changed. The internet has made it easier to reach thousands of people without spending a lot of money. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok are powerful tools for business growth. You can start by creating simple posts about your products or services. Share pictures, videos, and customer testimonials. Show people what you offer and why they should choose you. Consistency is key. Posting once in a while is not enough. You need to show up regularly so that people remember your business. WhatsApp is also a powerful tool in Kenya. Many customers prefer communicating through WhatsApp. You can create a business profile, share your catalog, and respond to customers quickly. You can also create broadcast lists to inform your customers about new products, offers, or updates. This keeps your business in their minds. As your business grows, you will reach a point where you cannot do everything alone. This is where you need to start building a team. Hiring employees can be challenging, but it is necessary for scaling. Start with small roles that can free your time. For example, if you run a shop, you can hire someone to assist customers while you focus on sourcing products or planning growth. Training your employees is very important. Do not assume they know everything. Teach them how you want things done. Show them how to treat customers, how to handle money, and how to represent your business. A well-trained team can help your business grow faster and maintain quality. Another important step in scaling is using technology. Technology makes work easier and faster. For example, using mobile money like M-Pesa allows you to receive payments quickly and safely. You can also use simple accounting apps to track your finances. Point-of-sale systems can help you monitor sales and stock. These tools reduce errors and improve efficiency. Access to capital is another key factor in scaling. Sometimes your profits may not be enough to support growth. In such cases, you may need additional funding. In Kenya, there are several options available. You can apply for bank loans, join a chama, or access government funds. However, borrowing money should be done carefully. You should only take a loan if you have a clear plan on how the money will help your business grow and how you will repay it. For example, if you take a loan of 100,000 Kenyan shillings, you should know exactly how you will use it. Maybe you will buy more stock, invest in marketing, or expand your shop. You should also estimate how much extra income this investment will generate. If the investment does not increase your income, then the loan may become a burden. Partnerships can also help your business grow. You do not have to do everything alone. You can work with other businesses to reach more customers. For example, if you sell clothes, you can partner with someone who sells shoes or accessories. You can promote each other's products and attract more customers. Scaling also requires focusing on what works best. Not all products or services bring the same profit. Some may take a lot of effort but generate little income. Others may bring high returns with less effort. You need to identify your most profitable products and focus on them. This helps you use your resources wisely and grow faster. As your business grows, you may consider expanding to new locations. This is a big step and should be done carefully. Before opening a new branch, make sure your current business is stable and profitable. Study the new location and understand the market. Make sure there is demand for your product or service. Starting small and testing the market can help reduce risks. Another way to scale is by diversifying your income. This means adding new products or services that complement your main business. For example, if you run a salon, you can start selling beauty products. If you have a shop, you can introduce delivery services. Diversification helps you increase your income and reduce risk. Discipline is very important in business growth. Many people make money but fail to grow because they misuse it. They spend profits on unnecessary things instead of reinvesting in the business. To scale successfully, you must be disciplined. Reinvest a portion of your profits back into the business. This helps you expand and improve over time. Patience is also key. Growth does not happen overnight. It takes time, effort, and consistency. There will be challenges along the way. You may face losses, competition, or unexpected problems. What matters is how you respond. Learn from your mistakes and keep improving. Networking is another powerful tool. Connecting with other business owners can open new opportunities. You can learn from their experiences, share ideas, and even find new partners. Attend business events, join groups, and engage with others in your industry. Relationships can play a big role in your growth. Understanding your customers is very important. Know what they want, what they like, and what they can afford. In Kenya, customers are very price sensitive. Offering value for money can give you a competitive advantage. At the same time, do not compromise on quality. Balance between price and quality is key. Branding is also important. Your business should have a clear identity. This includes your name, logo, colors, and the way you communicate. A strong brand makes your business memorable and builds trust. Even small businesses can benefit from simple branding. As you scale, you should also think about long-term sustainability. This means building a business that can last for many years. Avoid shortcuts that may bring quick money but damage your reputation. Focus on building a strong and honest business. Legal compliance is another important area. Make sure your business is registered and follows the required regulations. This gives you credibility and allows you to access more opportunities, such as government tenders or partnerships with larger companies. Scaling a business in Kenya is not easy, but it is possible. Many successful businesses started small and grew over time. What makes the difference is the willingness to learn, adapt, and take action. By building a strong foundation, improving your product, reaching more customers, managing your finances, and using the right strategies, you can grow your business step by step. In the end, your business is a reflection of your decisions. Every choice you make can either move you forward or hold you back. Stay focused on your goals, remain disciplined, and keep improving. With time and effort, your small biashara can grow into a powerful and successful enterprise that creates wealth and opportunities for many people.